Our Tampere Vocational College Library offers conducive spaces for studying and its collection of books and variety of educational materials. It has also equipped with do-it-yourself printing facility accessible during library hours. You may read and borrow books and other reading materials on a self-checkout computer system. It also has information service desk. You can get professional assistance and advisory concerning information retrieval. Information technology has also been integrated with traditional means of information searching, as students can freely use computer and internet facility completely free. The library not only provides access to countless knowledge and information, but enhances the sense of community and general well-being of its students and the college community. Meet your friends and classmates or spend some relaxing time on its comfortable couches while on LCD. If you are part of our Trado family, come and visit our library at Tampereen, Seudon, Ammattiopisto, San Tampereen, Finland.